Hello everyone, this is Miss V. Today I'll be making a ring light and showing you how I made it. So the products that I have, I've gotten them from Walmart and Dollar Tree. So these products that I'm about to show you right here, these three products I got from Walmart. I got my extension cord to plug in my ring light. It's hyper tough and it's like $1.82. It's really cheap. My zip ties, which these zip ties are 8 inches. It's 100 of them in the pack. They're hyper tough too. I got this for 82 cents. My chapter 16 feet LED rope light in the daylight. This was 13 bucks or 12.99, so 13 bucks. I got that from Walmart as well. And then I also have my floral ring, which I got this from Dollar Tree. It was $1. And instead of using foil to give it that extra light, I actually bought a cover that you put in your car to prevent the light from coming in when it's light or hot outside. This was $1. The first thing that you want to do is take your LED rope light, which is this right here, and you want to connect it to your floral ring. And you're going to do that by using the zip ties to connect. So now that I have this part done, it has all these little pieces of plastic hanging off of that. So all of that actually needs to be cut. And this is all you're going to do to get rid of them. For one, you want to make sure that they're tight, which you can pull. And then you just snip. And that's how you get rid of those pieces. You do want to be careful because this can be kind of sharp. So you just want to make sure that you're careful. This is without those little things sticking out from the zip ties, but these are sharp. So you just want to be careful. But this is what it looks like so far. So now my next step is adding my backing, which this will add more light. This is what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to cut a circle to match my ring light. And then I'm going to attach it to the back of it. And I'm going to use a hole puncher to punch holes into it so I can attach it with zip ties easily. So I cut my thing around so that I'm going to be placing on the back of this. And this is what it looks like. My cutting skills are not perfect, but this will be attached to the back of this like so. And then that will actually complete my ring light. And I'm just going to go around punching holes in the silver piece that I'm going to be adding onto there so I can add my zip ties. So hopefully you can see this. Hopefully. And if not, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to punch a hole here. And then it makes a little small, tiny hole that I'll be able to squeeze my zip tie through. Hopefully you can see that. It's very small, tiny hole that I should be able to squeeze. See? I should be able to squeeze my zip tie through and attach it. Finish adding it, and it's held on with the zip ties through the little hole punch. You'd have to be very careful because I ripped a couple of pieces just because it's very flimsy, easy to break through once you put that hole in there. So, but this is with it on. As you can see, it is looking fabulous. I might trim a little pieces off the edge to make it look more cleaner. What I'm about to do now is cut the zip ties again so they're not poking out, and then I'm going to test it out. Stay tuned. I have done everything. I connected everything. This is my end result. It is cute. It is ready to be used. So just give me 1 second. I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to use it to see if it works. It works. Look how bright this is. Look at this. Oh my god, like this is so amazing. And it was cheap to make. Thank y'all for watching, and again, if you like what you saw, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll have more videos coming.